It's a beautiful day. Sky falls, you feel
you serious?
it's a beautiful day. So let it get
All right, folks,
away.
Rick Mills here. We are in Pensacola with John Umasada, and we're getting ready to head out to do some sheep's head fishing. Nice.
In the maze of her imagination, your love is done. Even if
Good job, Ian.
you've been all over, and it's been all over you. It's a beautiful day. So let it get
Nice work,
away.
Ian.
Good job, Dad.
Beautiful day.